In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder icon in Figma using a quick and easy method that anyone can follow. If you've ever needed a simple folder icon for a UI design, a dashboard, a website mockup, or just to practice in Figma, this walkthrough will save you time and make the process super straightforward. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe for more Figma tips, design tutorials, and quick workflow guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Figma and go into your design file. You can start from an existing project or create a new one if you want a clean workspace. Once you're inside the design area, take a look at the bottom toolbar. From there, click on Actions. This is where Figma gives you access to extra tools, features, and helpful add-ons that can speed up your workflow. After clicking Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets. This section lets you search through different plugins and widgets that can be added directly into your design. Since we want to create a folder icon quickly, this is the best place to find ready-made icon options without building one from scratch. Now go to the search bar and type folder. As soon as you search, Figma will show you a list of related plugins, widgets, or icon results. Look through the options and choose the one that fits your design style best. You may see different folder icon variations depending on the plugin or icon library available, so pick the one that matches the look you want. Once you find the folder icon you want, simply drag and drop it into your canvas. This is the easiest part. Just place it wherever you need it inside your layout, and you can resize it, move it, or change its colors depending on the design you're working on. If needed, you can also duplicate the icon, align it with other elements, or use it as part of a larger interface. This is especially useful if you're designing file managers, app menus, cloud storage interfaces, or any project that needs clean visual organization. And that's it. You've now created a folder icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. Quick recap. Open your Figma design, click Actions from the bottom toolbar, go to Plugins and Widgets, search folder, and then drag and drop the icon you want into your project. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.